You will need to have a 3mm metric Allen key, a GTX600 XL large pin, and a screwdriver. This pin modifies a T-lock base to work on a GTX600 series printer. Start by taking the Allen key and set it in the screw which holds the pin. Insert a screwdriver into the hole that goes through the existing center pin for extra leverage. With the screwdriver inserted into the hole and the Allen key holding the screw in place, turn the pin counterclockwise and remove. Set the pin aside and replace with the new longer pin GTX600 XL large pin. Note, the flat side of the pin needs to be on the right side to ensure the platen can be secured. Failure to do so may damage the pin. Attach the long pin to the platen with the screw and tighten down with the Allen key until it is snug, but still able to move. Twist the pin so that the flat side of the pin is parallel to the right side of the platen. With the screwdriver inserted into the hole to help hold the pin in position, fully tighten the screw with the Allen key. The longer replacement center pin allows for the T-lock base to be used on a GTX 600. Once the center pin has been replaced, the T-lock base can be exchanged on prior GT models without needing to replace the pin.